Hold it up over there somewhere. There.
This is what we do on our Saturday and Friday and maybe Thursday night.
Unless they're playing poker.
Woo! Yep, and that was my mom.
That was her dad.
Yeah, my dad screams like that.
Yes.
Nobody listens.
Seriously, go.
You're so weird. Now my dad's coming from inside.
What?
Say hi to the camera, Daddy. Well, you
See you. Oh, you can see us a flame.
But just say hi. You're not going to be nice to the camera and say hi?
Hi, camera.
You're supposed to say hi, you two.
We don't put that on YouTube ever.
Uh-huh. Anyways, goodbye, YouTube.